All right, listen to this. You hear that hissing when I push it in. I can hold it in. It continually hisses. I think it's my vacuum booster. The brakes are bled, and sometimes when you get a squishy pedal, you can have air in the lines. Air compresses and brake fluid doesn't compress, so it'll get kind of squishy. I do not believe that's what's going on. I believe we got a brake booster here that is not working correctly. Like a seal is missing, or a boot is missing, or an O-ring is just not sealing up correctly. So this is pretty cheap to replace. I think it's under $100, but it's pretty cool how these things work. It comes in two parts, and there's a vacuum here that runs from the engine. So this is a vacuum that sucks half of this in, and then atmospheric pressure is on the other half. So when you push the brake down, you have that vacuum and that atmospheric pressure that applies boost to the brakes. I believe something like that. That's how it works. So I don't know if there's supposed to be some sort of boot on that up there. See that? Looks like there's some old rubber residue around there, almost as if there was a boot sealing that up. But there is supposed to be atmospheric pressure is supposed to get in on this side. So even if there was a boot, it should allow air to get in from on this side. That's my understanding. So so I think I'll probably just need to take this apart, pull it out from the other side, and I bet you there's like a seal or something that's just worn out. Probably needs to be replaced. All right, look what we just got in. This is the vacuum brake booster, and man, this is super light. All right, it's a rebuilt one, Cardone, I believe, made in Mexico. Hopefully it's good quality. Let's install this. I think we can unscrew these two bolts and maybe suspend this master cylinder in the air. Just get it out of the way, and then we can pull the full bolt, and we can pull the 4 bolts off this and pull it out this way and reinstall. All right, let's get to work. Looks like somebody has been here before. Look at this. Yeah, somebody's been here before. Looks like these, man, there's not much left. Looks like he used pliers, so I grip that and pull that off. Come on now. Okay, here we are inside the cab now, and those bolts look really rusty. I'm gonna spray them down real quick. This is just a mini 40. Maybe let these sit a little bit. All right, I've got my wobbly bit. Let's see if we can get up here and get these guys. That hurt. Just pinched my thumb. Ouch. Move that out of the way. Okay. I think we're clear to remove this from the other side. All right, now comes the moment of truth. Let's see if this can. This is okay. Not gonna be easy, is it? Not going to be easy. Something's starting to move. Okay, it's starting to move. There we go. I think I got it. Okay. Whew. Wow, yeah, that's been on there a while. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's old brittle plastic. No wonder it was not working. I think she was due for replacement. Yeah, look at that. I found my air leak right there. Look at that. That thing, that's just plastic. That is super brittle. And no wonder it's hissing on me. I wonder if this is the original or not. Look at this. Remanufactured. Paris? When did Paris start making parts? What? Okay. Well, it's a reman. Maybe it lasted a good while. I got another reman. Maybe it's Cardone. Is Cardone? Cardone sounds kind of French. Maybe this one's made in Paris too. This looks like it was just the gasket, so I don't think that really would have made that much of a difference. But it does look kind of rusty in here. Oh yeah, definitely rusty in there. So any type of seal in there is going to probably be corroded. All right, well, this is due for replacement. I'm glad we're getting to it. All right, let's install this new one. Warranty void if check valve is removed. So we'll just use the new check valve. There we go. It's just a tight fit, I guess. All right, that's close enough. We'll tighten it down from the other side. Pull it snug. Let's do the hardest one first here. This is really weird. There's a hen on top of the roof. I'm looking straight up and she just poked her head in. Where is she? You up there? I don't know. Maybe she wants to hang out on top of the roof. Anyway. Oh, there she goes. There she goes. She must have jumped off. Alright, let's get this last bolt done. Alright, I think we've got all 4 of those bolts on there. I've got the, oh, I gotta put this clip back on here. Wait a second. Oh shoot, I didn't do that. I gotta put this by that. Alright, I gotta take that back off. Alright, let me take this back off real quick, put that back on there, and I'm gonna turn off the camera real quick. Be right back. Alright, that took me about 5 minutes, but I think I got that brake sensor back on there. Hey there. That one there. Alright, now let's just hook up this vacuum line, and this is facing the wrong way. Oh good, we can turn it pretty easily. Put that back up. Let's take this off. And okay, there we go. Well, there you have it. Now we just got to try it out. Hopefully it's nice and quiet, no leaks. Let's get this out of here. Try it out. Start her up and see if she leaks. Hopefully not. Hopefully that fixes the brakes. Hold on, let's see here. Alright. Let's look. Give that a second. Let's come down here. Oh, well, she pumps, but she doesn't continually hiss out like the other one was. Well, she feels much better, but I don't know if it's supposed to be doing that. Take it for a quick drive. All right. real good, but still got a little hiss. Maybe that's supposed to happen. Maybe I've just never noticed it before. Hold on. Stopping power is much better. Oh, look at all those turkeys over there. Hold on, look at all them turkeys. Gobble, gobble. Alright, let's get this thing up to 50 miles an hour. I'm just going to put it in neutral. Put it in neutral. We're in neutral, and let's spray it. What we got going on down here? We got a bunch of horses. All the traffic. As long as it's not continually hissing, I think that's supposed to work like that. Let me know if I'm wrong, but I mean the brakes feel great. I mean they could be a little bit more responsive, but it's not sinking to the floor. Well, there you have it, folks. I think I'm going to close this video out. So I've never looked at these brakes. Well, I've never bled the brakes before, so I might do that just, you know, for maintenance purposes, make sure there's no air in the lines. But the vacuum booster pump is working much better now that we replaced it. And, you know, if you have to do one in the future, hopefully this video helped you out. All right, well, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.